We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can cancel Apple Music. So, in order to cancel your Apple Music subscription on an Android phone, you will need to launch the Apple Music app, then open the account settings. Here find the Manage Subscription field, open this page, and then tap at the Cancel Free Trial here. Then confirm. And well, that'll be it. On an iPhone or any other iOS-based device, it will look a little bit different. Instead of the Apple Music app, you will need to launch the settings. Then open your Apple ID. Then go into subscriptions, Apple Music, cancel free trial, confirm. That'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.